Here we go, guys. Everything's changed around. Some old familiar lines are still in place, but at the same time, obvious new notable areas such as this. Welcome to my backyard rock track. This is where I do a lot of my 1/10 scale rock crawling, trail trucking, I guess, but mostly rocks. Some of this stuff is familiar to you, like the beginning. And of course, this is no California Cliff Haven, like where we unveiled this Jeep JK Max, but I've been eager to get it on my backyard track, and with spring in the air, I'm going to take advantage of that and do that today. This is the 2018 all-metal JK Max. It weighs 12 pounds plus the 3S 4,000 milliamp battery, the LiPo that's in it. So quite sturdy, quite heavy, but I want to take it out stock, basically, like stock tires and whatnot, to see what kind of traction it has. Is it very sticky? We're going to find out today. All right, let's start up the engine. Driver ready, looking good. First rock crawl of 2018. Well, at the ranch, I guess. I'm interested in seeing, because this is such a heavy vehicle, how we're gonna do with body roll. Very nice. Having to do this one-handed, guys, so bear with me as I try to find my right line. This is pretty serious here. Well, as serious as it can get with playing with a model truck. I mean the serious angle. I don't want to start hopping down here. The secret is right here. Will it hook up? Oh no. Definitely going to hit that gate if I don't back up. There is something to be said about driving a very light vehicle. They seem to hop a lot easier. But if we're going for reality, everyone's always asked for a heavier truck. Bit of a bird's eye view here so you can see. Trying to hook up that first right tire to float the driver's tire over the gap. And of course, it's actually angled quite highly now. Straight on the rocks. Uh-oh. Gate touched right there. Darn it. Other side. Had a bad hop. This one's going to be very challenging, a little frightening as well. axle hanger right there on the back. Back of the right hand tire, not good. Oh, stalled out. Gonna have to get that looked at. And I'm just kidding, I totally know it's the setting on my sound kit. Oh! Down it goes. Hopefully we can make it down here. Okay, nice and slow. Uh-oh, bad line, gonna back it up, bring my passenger tire over. Just enough drag brake to let me roll almost freely there. Starting to slide, recovering. There's a huge gap, but oh. Okay, that's a bad spot actually. Okay, so if I back up, I'm gonna just slide right off, but if I go forward, down it goes. Okay, last attempt. This is me trying to learn how to use a vehicle that has such a neat body weight to it. Most of our vehicles, you know, are under 10 pounds. This one taking a little bit more challenge, and I enjoy it. Uh-oh, backing up. Got to get that passenger tire over. Cable steering, doing a great job, has been quite strong. I don't notice any slop. Okay, I gotta get a good fit here. Oh, it's this darn gap right here that gets us every time. Oh no! But the neat thing is, hey Mo.
You don't see my cool dump truck? It's this.
Wow, dude.
What's this?
Cool dump truck. Okay, so after further inspection of the line, I actually have to go to the passenger side a little bit sooner so I don't get stuck in this hole right here. This is what keeps flipping me over this giant hole trying to get off the log. So this is what I have to do, is go over here. Control the descent. And then basically just get off the log here. Oh, almost another tip, but we're able to save it. That'll take some practice. Can I spin it around? There's power. There's power in there. Okay, let's get her down the rocky cliff. So the goal for this canyon will be to have a tire on either side, either ridge, and not have one side slide down. This is always a challenge, because if you have one side slide down, you're basically done. Good to have my little guy Morris with me by my side today, learning how to do RC on the rocks. Uh-oh.
Yeah. You know, I just want to tell you something. I want these rocks sometimes, so I can like practice, like I'm pretending to drive like an RC on the rocks.
Nice.
It's me climbing on the rocks.
That's very cool.
That's why I'm training on the rocks.
You're training on the rocks?
Yeah.
I love hearing that. That's how we should have done it. So a lot of people have been asking me, you know, is there anything I would upgrade on this? Does it need anything? And I did add a winch, but really other than some sway bars to maybe help control the body roll when I'm moving quickly, that would be helpful. Overall though, it has everything I can even think of. Whoa, there's a poser shot for you. It's already got the aluminum axles, it's got cable driven steering, it's got an aluminum bumper. The whole metal, the whole chassis and everything is metal. and I put a sound kit in it, so it's pretty close to what I would call amazing. Even these tires, like everybody's tire choice is their own, of course, for the type of terrain and weather they're having, but am I on either side? Ah. A little bit too far apart. Here we go. There it is, my friends. The last rock. What an incredible run. I love the new layout of the rocks. The JK Max, performing as a very heavy vehicle, you know, does unusually well. And of course, like anything new, takes a lot of practice, and of course learning how to adjust the shocks, dialing it in properly. Mini-me, of course, also learning how to drive this vehicle, so very cool. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the film today, inspires you to get outside, maybe grab your camera and take some film of your own RC adventures. Now, I'm gonna go off and enjoy the sunshine. Mo, you wanna play? Yeah, I'm gonna go play with my boy, and we'll see you guys in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside and have some fun with RC. Bye for now.